8th F Beats.
I cast the long story short, I don't pretend something cold is hard. So make it all your fault. The time is something that you are known. You've been dreaming a lot. You need to wake up and connect the dots. Don't ever try to enter my mind, you'll get stuck in my thoughts.
This is the reason you niggas are dying. Instead of doing, you're fucking trying. This is the difference, the war is coming. No one is ready, you're fucking lying. I was just caught, slamming while rhyming, they said it's my fault. You fuckers are dying, I collect the dots and keep them coming and allow God to take them for nothing. I gave you time to learn how to rhyme. Over your talent, you chose the crime. I'm giving you life to learn how to die. Cause already you are living a lie. There's no going back, you're fucking wreck. You need to give us more than just a sec. I know where you lack, you can't close a crack. You need to leave us cause now it's getting bad. To cut the long story short, and for nobody in corner not knowing what it takes. Nsalala was 7 and Vusango 11. On Yago and phones on my face. Even the devil will go to heaven. Just figures hope when you're pale in the space. So connect the dots and read in between the lines to get free from the chains. My long story got cut short. I was with the girl that thought she was hot. She said, Solution, am I gonna be the one you marry? No, you're not. I cast the long story short. I don't pretend something cold is hard. So make it all your fault. The time is something that you are not. You've been dreaming a lot. You need to wake up and connect the dots. Don't ever try to enter my mind, you'll get stuck in my thoughts. Yo, I cast the long story short. I don't pretend something cold is hard. So make it all your fault. The time is something that you are not. You've been dreaming a lot. You need to wake up and connect the dots. Don't ever try to enter my mind, you'll get stuck in my thoughts.
Mlindos the giant, Mlindos the giant, Mlindos the giant. All my enemies are fairy tale. A different story they will never tell. I make them do this scene cause I'm a storyteller. They keep on guessing like they out of space. Look, I'm an artist and a teacher too. Schooling niggas with an attitude. I'm underground, there's no claim for murder. You act rappers thought we high forever. You better know it is not or never. Take the shit to the street, just see you got this. When I tell my stories, rappers taking notes. Mina ngihlezi ngihlome, bengithi nshimila, anti-trapping nqomile. Amabhazi nakhona ngoba ngishile ngani. You dreaming rappers better wake up. Your shit better improve. When I start shooting, find a bulletproof. Cause I got no target and I'm using silent. I'm living this and I'm loving this. It's what I do for a living nigga. Long story short, I've been starving man since I was born. Always in the studio cooking my thoughts. I think deeper than the ocean and I flow like a boat nigga. Take a trip to my book and I write bars. Sit back, start a shit. Make this rapper straight when they're losing weight. Cause I'm in green, okay to play. All these rap rappers make my hand pain. They be full of bodies when I leave the stage. I'm here to mad a nigga, call the cops. Cause this shit is dope and behind bars. God, you niggas know what time it is. Yeah, Mlindos the giant, Mlindos the giant. Yeah.
Yo, I cast the long story short. I don't pretend something cold is hard. So make it all your fault. The time is something that you are not. You've been dreaming a lot. You need to wake up and connect the dots. Don't ever try to enter my mind, you'll get stuck in my thoughts. Yo, I cast the long story short. I don't pretend something cold is hard. So make it all your fault. The time is something that you are not. You've been dreaming a lot. You need to wake up and connect the dots. Don't ever try to enter my mind, you'll get stuck in my thoughts.